So about those paid Fastpasses. Hey everyone, it's Casey the Disneyland Geek here, and I'm coming to you today to give you my thoughts on the Disney Genie service that was announced last week. So this was originally announced at the D23 Expo a couple years ago as a new app-based service to allow you to plan your day at Disneyland and Walt Disney World. So we got more details about it finally, because it was originally supposed to launch last year, but a little thing called COVID-19 happened, which caused park closures, so obviously it had to be pushed back. But it seems like the service is ready to launch, and if you don't know about this already, though, if you are a regular viewer of my channel and you're a Disney fan like I am, you probably already know about this, but for those of you who don't know, I'll read from the official Disney Park blog post. So basically the Disney Genie app is a free service that will it'll be in the My Disney Experience app for Disney World, and then the Disneyland apps for Disneyland. And it's supposed to give you a more personalized itinerary to plan your day in the parks. So you're able to pick out what are your interests, like if there's a specific attraction you want to do, specific characters you want to see, what kind of dining you want. You input that info and it will give you a personalized itinerary. So it'll show you give you specific attractions, food restaurants, if I can speak properly today, stuff like that, and you're able to update your itinerary as you go, as the way for you to be more spontaneous, if that's even such a thing anymore at the Disney parks. And it will show you wait times, and it will even give you predicted wait times in different parts of the day so that you don't have to wait in line as long. Now, here's where things get mixed reactions, at least for the middle part. So in addition to the free Disney Genie service, there's also a paid premium service called Disney Genie Plus, because every premium service has to have the plus symbol in it nowadays. So the pricing is for $15 per ticket per day at Disney World, and then $20 per ticket per day at Disneyland. And this is almost similar to what Disneyland had with their Max Pass service. So pretty much you paid to be able to reserve your FastPass tickets, which Disney has rebranded to Lightning Lane entrances. Was there a problem with the name FastPass? Was there a reason they couldn't keep it? I mean that's a lot of signage you have to replace now. Especially with the Web Slingers attraction that had the FastPass name on it, so now you have to relabel that. But anyway, if you add the Disney Genie Plus service, you can make your Lightning Lane reservations for select attractions. So this means you can no longer reserve your FastPass reservations at Disney World 60 days in advance anymore. So now it has to be there on the day that you visit. But this also includes the PhotoPass downloads for Disneyland, which is unlimited, and then for Disney World, you get augmented reality lenses, because I think they're still keeping the Memory Maker package for you to purchase. And it also includes what they call Disney Parks themed audio experiences, which I'm not entirely sure what that is. I don't know if it's behind the scenes stuff about attractions, so we'll have to see what that is. Now comes the part that are really ticking people off. I'm still mixed about it myself, to be honest. So not all attractions will be included in the Disney Plus service for Lightning Lane reservations. Some attractions that have the Lightning Lane entrance will require you to pay an additional fee. So far, they've only announced Seven Dwarfs Mine Train and Radiator Springs Racers, but I think we can safely assume that Rise of the Resistance will be added as part of that too, in addition to the crummy virtual queue system that will remain in place. Unfortunately. So they haven't announced pricing for those yet, but if we take a look at Disneyland Paris's Premier Access lines, no relation to the Premier Access service on Disney Plus, some of the attractions there start off at €8, which is a little over $9 in American money. Some have gone as high as €15, or about $18, and that's for Peter Pan's Flight. And like for the Ratatouille attraction over there, that's €12 or 14 American dollars, which will probably be the price for the pretty much the attraction at Epcot when it officially opens next month, or October 1st. So those are probably about the prices we can expect, and the prices will vary depending on when you visit. Like if you're visiting on a holiday, it's probably going to be more expensive. Whereas you're visiting on off-peak. So that's pretty much Disney Genie service. And I've been looking at various people's reactions to to the service. Like if you looking at one of the videos on YouTube, one has like almost 10,000 dislikes versus the 873 people who like it. So I think this should give you a strong indication that people are really not happy about this. Let's see if I can find another. Oh, this one's the 15-minute long version. That one has 16,000 dislikes versus the 1.4 thumbs up likes. And obviously, a lot of the thumbnails I see from other YouTube channels are like, show like an evil-looking genie, or some have posted the South Park characterization of Mickey Mouse. So, yeah, honestly, it is a bit crummy that we're losing more free perks from visiting the parks. Because, I mean, like, Disney park tickets are already expensive enough. And, like, as far as the Magic Key program, replacing annual pass at Disneyland, it looks like, it doesn't seem like we're going to get, like, the add-on option like we did with the Max Pass. I believe it was just $100 to add the Max Pass onto your annual pass, at least from what I remember. But it doesn't look like we're getting that option. And it's probably not going to be an option for the Disney World annual pass either. We're going to have to pay per day to use the service. So yeah, I'm not all that happy about it. I mean, it seems like Disney really is getting more out of people's price range. Like if like from looking at the comments, like, you know, everyone's saying like, you know, they're just not going to do Disney anymore because of the like the increasing prices, and like how Disney's charging for almost everything nowadays. I mean, I think like you even have to, like, even for some shows and like fireworks, I think like there's like a certain charge, like if you want to get like a special viewing area or like do the dessert kind of thing. Something like that. I mean, we've already been without a lot of the premium entertainment at the Disney parks for the past year and a half, though they're slowly returning, just not as fast as we'd like. So, I mean, these really are strange times we're living in. There are uncertain times, even, we're still in the middle of a pandemic, which, we thought we could see an end in sight, but then, this recent surge has upended those predictions. So, and here Disney is announcing premium services, and so, sadly gone are the days where you could, just visit a Disney park, whenever you felt like it. So, say if I were living in California and I just felt like, you know what, let's go to Disney for the afternoon. Yeah. But I mean, now we have now we have to reserve our parks want to visit in advance. So, say we wanted to do a spontaneous visit to Disneyland, they might not even be available. They may be booked up in reservations for the day. And it's really uncertain times we live in. If for all my regular viewers who watch my channel, how much I love Disney, which, I still do. If you just take a look at some of the things here in my room, I have Pixar paintings from hanging up there, and in case you couldn't tell, I am such a huge fan of Stitch. I'm one of the very few people who actually liked Stitch's Great Escape. If that loses me some subscribers, I'll totally understand. I just love Stitch so much. But anyway, as much as I love Disney, it really is crummy, seeing all these premiums added on. Walt Disney said in his dedication to Disneyland, to all who come to this happy place, welcome. Disneyland is your land. It's supposed to be a land for everyone. Everyone should be able to enjoy it. And so, I saw on YouTube, in reference to the Disney Genie, they pretty much posted a clip from Jurassic Park, where the lawyer is we can charge however much we like. We can charge, $10,000, $15,000 a day. Dr. Hammond's no, I designed Jurassic Park to be enjoyed by everyone. And the lawyer's oh, we'll have a coupon day. But, so, yeah, I thought that was a funny reference to bring up. But it's kind of, yeah, it's sad to see more and more people priced out of this, and I've seen everyone's reactions to the Star Wars Galactic Star Cruiser Hotel, for pricing around $4,000 for just a 2-night experience. I just booked a Disney cruise for less than that, for a 5-night cruise. So it's crazy times we live in. I'll probably try the Disney Genie service, at least the premium one, out for one day, just to see what it's like. If anything, just to share with all of you how the service is working. But I'm probably not going to be doing the more premium add-on Lightning Lane attractions. Especially for Radiator Springs Racers, which has a single rider line. I'm just going to do that. So, anyway, those are my thoughts. If you've stuck around the video this long, thank you very much. And if you're not a regular viewer of my channel, give a lot of my other videos a watch. I have plenty of ride-through videos on here. I hope to get more uploaded in the future. And if you like what you see, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe and ring the bell. And that's about it. So until my next video, I will see you in the parks.